What's up, world? It's Steve from Thrift Team. I'm going to show you how to ship a baseball card. If you don't know, baseball cards are still in demand, but also especially things like WWE cards, and this is actually a Walking Dead card. So you can get tens to hundreds of dollars still for cards, so be on the lookout for those. How I ship them, which is pretty indestructible, is you need one of these. I think they're called team bags or just sleeves. Standard sleeves, you can get them for pennies on the dollar. You need one of these. You put your card in here. Just be careful with it. You don't want to ever bend the corners or you're going to get an upset customer. So put it in there. Fits snugly right there. And then you want one of these, which is called a top loader. These are regular top loaders, 3x4. These are maybe like $5 for a pack. There's a bunch in here, I don't know, 25 or 30. And then you want to take your card, your sleeve, and put it in the top loader, which again, be careful with the corners. Let's see. Okay, so like that, and then it's always good to just kind of give it a little push, and then you want to make sure it goes down there. Now, what I like to do, this I've never had any complaints, and the only thing I've ever really had is good reviews, people saying that it was packaged the best they've ever seen. Take a piece of bubble wrap, just a normal size, if it's perforated or whatever, rip that off. You take your card, you stick it in the bubble wrap, like so, and then you're going to fold it over. I always have my bubbles pointing in, and then I'm going to fold that again down, so it's like that, and do that again and again. And now here's the stuff you need right here, this plastic seal stuff, shrink wrap. You can get these at Walmart. I think it's like $10 per roll, but the rolls last for a long time. I'm going to get about 3, 4, 5 of these. It's really strong, good stuff. Holds the bubble wrap. Do it again right here. Just give it a nice pull like that. Alright. Make sure it's nice and sturdy there. Now that card is not going to get damaged. And then I recommend, people would say put it in a box, but put them in one of these. Just grab a poly bag, put it in here. The great thing about these is it's going to save you on shipping, so you can get away with first class usually always on these cards. And then you just seal it up like that. And that is going to get there in perfect mint condition, just how you sent it. Like I said, never had anybody complain. Only got good feedback from this, and that's the way I ship my cards. And that's that. Please like and subscribe for more great tips. We're going to be bringing you lots and lots of videos. Also follow us on Facebook. It was Bull of Thrift Team, but now we're Thrift Team. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.